All right, we're here at Pismo Beach testing Bobby Alexander's twin turbo LS monster. I don't know what the hell you want to call it, but crazy buggy, I guess would be a good name for it. And we got Carl Scott manning the wheel right now, and it's just been an absolute blast. Talk about turbo torque. It's pulling the wheel in 5th gear at 100, and it'll flip it over if he keeps it down. So we had a great time.
All right, let's take a look at our latest project we're gonna do here.
What do you want?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a wild ride, Magic Mountain style.
This better be on your own website.
Yeah. Twin turbo LS in a 4-person buggy with Carl Scott at the wheel, or AKA Total Madman. ridiculous.
Damn, I got a mouthful of sand. It likes the ground. Every time.
Dude, my hand pulled the zoom back. I was grabbing so hard.
That's about 20 in the air.
You know what, Carl? Let me get it.
I can tell Carl doing that. No, I don't do that.
Let me get out and watch you do the run, like the full run with this camera. Hook you up on the hill over there. I don't wear.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back.
Check all the other cameras are on. Nice. That's Carl Scott attacking. Yeah, buddy.
Why I'm telling you we use your motor.
Oh yeah?
Carl Scott driving Bobby Alexander's Jackson Outlaw long travel. I had Tom Nelson build a tall deck LSX 427. On the dyno it makes really big power, 22 pounds of boost, and so far about all we can get it to is 13 without ripping the back off of it. It's insane power. Lower cars, you're done. There is no.
Well, these are the two guys that made it happen. Bobby Alexander and Carl Scott.